What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Facebook session expired error that automatically logs you out of your account. Recently, users have been facing this frustrating issue due to a buggy update from Meta, the parent company of Facebook. If you've been caught in this loop of being logged out and receiving a message that your session has been expired every time you log back in, don't worry. The problem is entirely on Meta's end, and there is a straightforward solution to get back on track. The key to resolving this issue is to ensure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. The developers have quickly worked out a fix following the problematic update. If you're still experiencing the session expiration issue, it's likely because your app hasn't been updated to the latest version that includes this fix. To update your Facebook app, simply open up your App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Tap on the search bar icon located at the bottom right of the screen and search for Facebook in the search bar. Navigate to the Facebook page. Here, if you see an update option, it means there's a newer version of the app available. Tap on Update to download and install the latest version of Facebook on your device. Once the update is complete, the session expired issue should be resolved, allowing you to log back into your Facebook account without any further interruptions. This fix ensures that your app is running the latest software, packed with all necessary bug fixes and improvements to enhance your user experience. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.